Welcome to the demonstration of the Sew Adjust table, proudly distributed by Sewing Buddies Australia. This table featured here is the 18 by 24. When your table arrives, it comes fully assembled. All you do to make it fit your machine is loosen the wing nuts at the front, loosen off the wing nuts at the back, and slide it into your machine. Just make the necessary adjustments and tighten your wing nuts. You will notice that this is quite low and we need to adjust the height, which is exceedingly simple. All you do is you turn the table over, pop a leg up against your machine, find the right height for your machine, and tighten your lever. Adjust all your other legs. A good little tip if you're using your table on more than one machine is to colour code your grooves with nail polish. That will allow you to find the correct position without having to measure each time. You simply turn your table over and slide it into position and it's ready to go. You will see that this is very smooth, or even though you can see your hardware, there is nothing on the tabletop to actually catch on any fabric. It simply glides over. If you're doing free motion quilting and need extra slip, any high quality furniture silicone spray, simply spray it on and polish off with a microfiber cloth. Another little trick is, even though you can't spray the furniture polish directly onto your machine, while your cloth's still damp, simply rub it over the plate of your machine, and that will give you less drag off the actual sewing machine bed without damaging your machine in any way. Having steel legs and not plastic, it will hold a lot of weight. That will take the heaviest quilt or curtains that you can put onto it.